Let's okay. So today we'll learn what is JWT and how to use JWT. Okay. In backend especially, and in the front end we will just um, conduct our registration and login page. Okay. So let's say our project will be in our project. Okay. Let's just add a simple admin.js model. Okay. Here only admin can register in this model. Okay. So after login in this in our website, in our web page, they'll get a JWT token. Okay, that's why I create a simple token field over here, and one is email, one is password. Okay, so what we have to do, just do this from the beginning. Let's do it from the beginning. Okay, so we create a model. This is the simple structure of model. Launch admin schema, new Mongo store schema. Okay, then email, password, and token. And uh, for using JWT, I have to install JSON web token. Okay, for this we have a command like npm install JSON web token. Let's install it first. Now what we have to do, just first we have to create a register API for our admin. So app.post, then register, let's say admin, then same async request comma response, then this function we have to create a simple registration for our user. Okay. Const admin for our admin actually dot admin equals to, and one more thing, one more important thing. See, I have in call the admin page over here. Okay. Like I call the student collection, same as I call the admin collection. Okay. Admin module. Now what I have to do? I just have to create a simple registration. I will admin dot create what. Okay, let's check our website first. What is in our registration form? Name, age, email, password. Let's just remove the name field. We don't want this. Um, Here we'll have this age field. Don't need this. Just make it simple as possible. And name, for name field, I have to create collection over here, name, which will be type will be string, and it's required. Okay. Now what I have to do, I just have to create the admin page. Now, like for name, we'll get request dot body dot name then email, same request or body dot email, and same as password. We'll get request or body dot password. Okay. Now what we have to do? Just have to save this await admin dot save, and in the try catch block, we have the same thing, like res dot status will be 400, send error, and for this res dot,
So we don't have to create token field.
no, we'll not use the token field over here. We'll save the token while the user try to log in. Okay, after login we'll create a token for that user. Because if we create the token over here, then what is like what will be our what is the need of our token then? Because we don't want to authenticate until the user is registered, user is logged successfully. Okay, that's why we will not use any token in the registration. Then there will be success to and admin. This is our register API. Let's check the register API well whether it's working or not. Admin register. Okay. Let's give a name. Okay, it's showing an error. Let's see. Report name, request email, request password. Port 04 not found. I guess I give the route name wrong. Okay, yes. That is register admin and I gave admin register. Now let's try this. Okay. So our data is created. See, okay. We got the name, email, and password. And now what we have to do? We have to create a login API. Create app dot post. In login API, what we can get from front end, we can get email and password only. Admin login. Same async. Now, see, we'll get the email. So first we have to find the admin with the email. Admin is equals to await admin dot find one, because there is no ID, so we cannot find by ID. We cannot get the ID. Then what we have to do? We have to find it via email. So email, which email? Request dot body dot email. Now we have to check if there is no admin. Okay, then what we have to do? Return res dot status bad request. For bad request we use 400 dot send. The error message will send like success false, and message will be no user no admin found with this email. Got it? Now what we have to do? We have the so this is the if part. If there is no admin, this symbol means not admin. Okay. Here this is the basic JavaScript. If there is no admin, then it will return return the whole function and throw an error like success is false and message will be no admin found with this email. And if and else means if there is admin, then what we'll do? We'll check if admin dot password equals to request body dot password. If this is right, then what we'll do? Res dot status 200 will send 200 means success dot send will just send success true with admin. Okay, and this total function will be go to our try block, and then there is a catch block. In catch block, we'll throw the same error, not same error. Want this, copy this test, and send the error only. Okay, and after this if block, see what we have checked here. We get the admin dot password means this one, admin dot password means this one. Okay, and request by dot password means what we'll give over here. Okay, this one we check this two. If both are same, then it will show the status code as 200 means the true means success, and we'll send as message like success true and the whole admin, this admin. Okay, and else like if these both are not matching, then what we'll do? We'll say return res dot status 400 as bad request dot send first the success false, and then we'll give a message like invalid credential. Okay, now let's check the route whether it's working or not. Admin login. Okay, admin login. What we need in body? Let's check. We need email and also password. Email and password. We don't need name. Let's try with the right one. Then it's showing the success as true and admin. And if we send this, then it will show invalid credential. Okay, so our login API is ready. Now what we have to do? We have to generate a auth token for this. So for generating a auth token, we'll do simple. Create auth token equals to admin dot generate auth token. This is a function. Okay. But for calling this function, we need a middleware where we have to mention a middleware over here. Let's mention. So first, what we have to do? We have to copy this name dot methods because we are going to use this method. We are going to use this method. Okay. This total method we are going to use. Then what we have to do? We have to call the function name. We have like what we have mentioned over here. I have to create this functionality. We'll use normal async function over here, not the arrow function, because we have to use the like this keyword. So for this keyword, we have we cannot use arrow function. Now what? First try catch block. Nice. Now on the try block, what do you have to do? See. This is the field. Okay. And we need a unique identity. So in every document, we have the most unique identity we in MongoDB is underscore ID. I guess it's all known to it's known to you. So now what do you have to do? Have to use this. Create a token, then JWT dot JSON web token, then sign. What do we have to sign? We have to give, have to store ID. What in ID? What do we have to store? We have to store this dot underscore ID. Done. And we need a secret. Secret like secret maybe everything. Okay, but you have to give this like at least 23 characters, I guess. At least you have to give 23 characters. Now just give a secret. Let's give the secret as this is just a secret pin for our JWT. Simple login with it. I guess it's enough. This will be our secret. Okay. Now what we have to do? This field, this token field. In this token field, we have to use this dot token equals to token. Store the token and then await this dot save. What we have done, we just save and return the token. In the error block, let's say race dot status. Let's say console dot log. Say error. Now let's try to log in. Invalid credential. It's showing success. Let's say success, but it's not working. Why? Oh, okay. I did not save the file. I'll save this and run. It will show an error, I guess. No, it's not showing an error. Okay, let's check just the problem. Correct or stop one. Okay, yes, let's show an error in our. So for this, what we have to do? We have to like import this GWT. Now, I guess with wrong. See, we get a token. Check in database. Yes, we have the token. Okay. So by this token, what we can do? See. jwt.io dot io. See the ID E4B. Check E4B. Look, we can easily like recognize or recognize our user using this token only. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to integrate it in our front end. So first create the registration. What we have to do for taking the value? We already got this on previous step. We have to create a const for name and set name function state, then use state, take it as blank, then same thing you have to do for email, set email, and same for our password. And every input field, what we have to do? See, this is our input field for name. Here we have to call a on change method. On change what? For this, and in the argument we have e. Then what we have to do? Set name e dot target dot value. Same thing you have to do for email. For email, go to the email. Yes, this is the input field of email. Data targeted hello. Okay, and same for the password. Now save this and save. We have just copy the copy any function. Let's say this let's copy this function, paste it, okay, and give the name as register admin, and we'll call this function here in the submit button. On click, this function will be called. So on click, what we have to do? We have to complete this. We need a send data, and send data will be first name, then email, which is email, then password, which is password, and in this URL, what will be our URL name? Check. This is the value of our register admin. And what will be our URL? Name register admin. Okay. What's the register admin? Register admin. Okay, done. Then we have to check. We're not getting any data. We have send this. If raised or error success, what we'll do? We just use navigate. So we already know how to navigate from one component to another. We learn it yesterday. We have to create a variable with name navigate and use navigate. We have to use now import use navigate from React router from. I guess I write it down. And after the successful login, we'll send the admin to our login page. Navigate her slash admin slash login. Let's see. Login. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, FCS is not defined. We have to define FCS also. Import FCS from now let's check our website. This is our registration form. Let's register. And see one thing. We give the same email. It's already exist over here. Okay. Let's keep the same username first. Same email first. It's an error. That's why it's not navigated. Try once more. See, I'm getting an error. Admin validation fail email path email is required. What is required? Validation error. Error. See. Error is required. Password is required. Showing an error. Let's check what is the problem. Now let's try. Okay. First, here. You can throw one more error. See the error? Duplicate key error. Okay. Key value. This one. Showing duplicate key errors. So what we have to do? We have to change this. Now see our registration is successful and we are redirected to our login page. Now what we have to do? We have to log in first to log in. So what we have to do? Same thing. What we have done here. Go to this on the login page. Just remove this one. And the one click function. Let's call it function login admin. Want this, create the function const dot login admin is equals to async and try catch block. For email, we have to do the same on change e also for that we have to create const email comma set email state. It's a blank string. Same as we have to create for password. Okay. For email, to set email what e dot target dot value. Same thing for our password field on change set password is e dot target dot help. And we got the email and password. We have to send it in our backend. For this, create a variable name send data. Then for email, send email. For password, send password. Now what we have to do? Axios dot post, it is a post request. Post. We need to call the URL. We just need to call the URL first. Let's create a URL. Const URL. What will be our URL? Let's copy this one first. Paste it and give the rest endpoint name. What is the rest endpoint name? So here, check set login. This is the user I have recently created. Now admin login. Okay, so admin login. Okay, over here. Now, what we have to post in this URL, we have to post the send data. And now what is the syntax? Dot then there will be a response. Sorry, I did not remember the syntax. Actually. Just copy the syntax. Let's just copy the syntax. And then what we have to do? If res.data.success, okay, then we have to send the user to our add then let me check what is the this is the route for a student. What else? Console.log. Yes. Now let's check whether our login is working or not. @gmail.com and let's the password is okay. So it's working because we have this okay. Now what we have to do? We'll create a logout also. What do we have to do? Now we have to like log in with something different. Let's see that gmail.com is okay, and let's give the password as this. It's showing an error in backend. Let's just make it visible in our screen. Over here. Then if not, then what we'll do? We just let's create a const error as error set error. Set double or set error equals to the error we will receive. So how we are receiving the error? Let's check. Message. Res.data.message. 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 Okay, let's just create the alert. alert. The let's see how it's said @gmail.com and let's give something else. So the alert message is not coming. See why? So dot log trace of data dot message. Let's check the console whether it's coming or not. Let's check. Okay. It's coming, but see what is the problem. Solving the errors. Errors. Success, then it will go, or else it will like console.log set it as error test dot data dot message and console.log regular var. Now let's see. Response dot data dot errors. It's not consoling, let's console the response. Request response dot data. Let's use this. Let it be, no problem. Well, over there. Set there is the error will write error dot response dot data dot message, and it will show the alert area. Let's see. Now it should work. We have the error, it's total error, console.log total error. Let's see. First, if anything, then we have the error. This is the total error we are getting. Now, in this error, we have the config request and response. This response, we have dot data and message. Okay. Response and data, then message. Let's check. Alert in React. This is the way. Okay. Alert the total error. Let's see. Okay. Let's alert error now. No problem. Error message and log. See, it's coming. Then I'll fix it. Okay, message is not saved over here. Then on the else block, let's try this. Let's see how it's working or not. Running, but what is the problem with the so it's showing the this error in the console. I don't know why I cannot retrieve it. It's like easy to retrieve. I have to check this and it will be done later. Quick talk over here, then this JWT part will be over. Get into the JWT part. So let's log in with this. See, in this document, I don't have the token. So let's generate a token. For this, you have to use email and the password. Here, see, I generate a token. This is the token. Now, check one more thing. By giving anything over here, cannot go to that page. Okay, at student. But we have to segregate it from here also. What do we have to do? Like when we'll click the login button, where is the login button? This login button. Okay, will like we have to just do one thing and it will be done. This is the navigation. This is our navigation bar. Okay, so let's just segregate these two lines from here. And after that, create a route. Path slash element. Let's and what we'll do, we'll just navigation bar, we'll just comment out these two blocks. Save this, run this. We have this one and add student can reach at student. Okay, so it's what now what do we have to do? We have to create one more things, one more number for our project. Let's say navigation after login dot JSX, and the total navigation bar is code will be copied from here. RFC and navigation bar. Then we need this return method. The first return, and here we don't need this, just have to use this. These two things. Okay, and add one more button, which is logout. This will not link to anything. We just call a function on it. Logout. Let's give that button. Okay. Now this navigation I have to import in our app.js. How? Same. We have imported route slash and application the login, then post stack and second bracket as well start the route. See what is the problem. And need to close this route. Let's check how it's looking. So it's looking, but this logout is not working properly. Change the logout button, then I will get into this. But this add student component is not working. Let's see what is the problem. Okay. Now see, when someone is not into login, like not authorized, he or she cannot also go to that page. Now I am coming to this page. Okay. Now I have to just implement the logout. Okay. Let's implement the logout button. Just logout button feature. We need to go to here and here. I have to create on click. Then a function should be called let's say logout function, logout admin, and same const logout admin equals to sync and the try catch block, try block. Just copy a simple code. We need to send what we need to send. Like we need to send the So while we are going to log out, we need to send some details about my like okay, let's just log out. Here, what we will do, just import use navigate from React router DOM. Get it? Now const navigate first to use navigate. Now don't need this try catch. Just use navigate and have to navigate it to the navigate to the functions. Now let's check whether it's working or not. So it's not working. Let's check again. Log out admin. Navigate to. Let's check. Let's navigate it to the login page. Now, there is a navigate error. Let's check. Okay, we just can do this without these things. Just use link and to have slash login. Now it should work. So this is our total project. Okay. Now everybody start asking question if you have. Anyone is there or what is just hello?
Yeah, Shushandu, is possible to do implement any pagination here in the list GUI?
Sir, for pagination, actually, I have to learn the, I have to know the code UI and all material UI and all. So I am not good at UI.
Okay. Okay. You can also learn also. That is a very important
Yes,
part.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I was not able to present long session, but till I will check it. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, actually, I was outside actually, not able to today hear your session today. I'll check it. Okay, everybody come forward if you have any doubt or
Yes.
queries.
The total project is ready and you can ask any question from this project. Okay. I am also like push the whole project.
And yeah, another thing, so Shishandu, when we can sit actually to set up, and in my laptop, I want to set up this entire project tomorrow. We can sit anytime
Yes, tomorrow it's also possible.
at this time after 10, 11.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to hear from our participant, Megha.